So let me show you step by step how to search files in Google Drive. So if you want to search file in your Google Drive, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the Google Drive, you go to this My Drive. After you go to My Drive, if you want to search a specific file, you can click on this where it says type. After you click on this type, so let's say now you want to search a video, you click on this option. Now it will show you only videos from the Google Drive. So if you want to search a specific picture, you click on this picture or you click on the PDF. So from this type, now you select the size or the type of the file that you want to search. So let's say I want to search a video, I'll click on this video. So now if I have video in my Google Drive, it will show me only videos. So because I don't have videos, that's why it doesn't show me. So let me select like photos. So by selecting photos, now it will give me all pictures inside my Google Drive like this one. So the next thing you should do, if you want, you can click on this where it says people. Like if you share the Google Drive with someone, you can just select the, like, let's say you want to select, you want to search file from a specific file with a specific date. So if you click on this modifier, so here it says last 7 days, last 30 days, last year, so this year, and you can even select a custom date. So you can just select date from this option, and from there it will give you the specific file you want from this option. And that's it. If this video helps, like, subscribe, or meet in the next one.